Hey everyone. Well, got the truck buckets and console and everything's all in. Got these seat belts here. They're out of like a Easy Go or Club Car golf cart. They work really nice. They come over. They're clip right on into there. Nice and good there. Liking that. Use these old bottoms off the original seat and just tacked in a little bit of sheet metal here and kind of gave it a little paint. Though that's, I want to be able to pull those out and reuse them on the stock seat someday, so they'll just come right out. So that kind of finished it off a little bit, I think. Come over to this side. It's kind of bright out here, so hope you guys can see okay. Got a couple things that we're going to do today. There's the other side there. Just super comfortable to drive this truck now. I just love that. So anyways, this is exciting. Finally, they got stock back in. And you guys will figure out what I'm going to do here. Look at this. There's a 411 ring and pinion in this truck. And it's like top speed is about 35 miles an hour. And there's the ring gear there. I got that. And the installation kit here. The torque tube bushing right there. All the seals. Everything. Good guy. Give a little shout out to Michael up there at Randy's Ring and Pinion. Gave me some marking compound, so I can see how my gears all line up. And there's an installation kit here, but I got plenty of other stuff I'll probably use actually. So yeah, that's really super cool. That's going to take place in probably a month or so. I'm going to start on that. The truck will be in the driveway here up on jack stands, and I'm just going to take everything apart, do it myself. It was just hard to find anybody that would do that. Nobody wants to work on torque tubes, so I've done a lot of research and I think I can get it pretty good. I got to get a dial indicator. There's a gap wrench that I need to get or make. I can order that up. It's only a few dollars. And then what we're going to do here next is we're going to pull this guy out and we are going to cold crank on this thing. It hasn't ran since October. So I'm going to roll it out of here momentarily, and we're going to see how much it takes to get this running, and then I'm going to wash it up and get it looking good. And yeah, it'll be nice to get this out with the weather getting better around here now. We'll be able to start using this. I drive that car almost every day. So, okay, I'll bring it back when I get a little bit more done here. Oh yeah, when I was talking about the new ring and pinion earlier, I forgot to mention the new one's 355. The old one's a 411, so should be able to get like 60 miles an hour now instead of like 40, 45. So yeah, all right, let's pull out the buggy and start it up. Okay guys, so it hasn't ran since October-ish, so it's been on a battery tender, so I'm gonna have to crank it a lot, probably get the fuel up to the carburetor. fired up pretty good. So I'm going to let it run a little bit here, and then we're going to get out the wash mitt and give it a little scrub job here, and then we'll walk around and look at the car a little bit. All right, it usually doesn't take very long to wash. Well guys, there's only one thing left to do. Make sure our windshield is locked down in there good. And I think we got to go for a little quick ride. Yeah, we're gonna have to go for a quick little ride. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. And please comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.